Whew, man, a little sweaty. It's a little hot out here. Keith Cage's garage. I'm working on the trailer today, and last time, if you look back on the Prius, did I have? I don't know. There's a Prius video where I tried getting the Prius up on the trailer without getting it out of park. We couldn't get it out of park. Whole big story. Anyway, I broke the winch cable. After that, I bought these things, which are pretty cool. So now you just take these, slide these under the tire, and you can just slide the car. So if it's in park still, it will just slide. But I don't know if you can see the winch cable here. We were trying to winch it, and it snapped. The hook snapped right off. What I wound up doing was just tying this to whatever was there, and still winching it on. It was a big whole ordeal. Anyway, so I got a new winch cable, and I got all this out. I'm trying to figure out how to get the cable out of the drum, I guess you would call it. So here's a new cable. I don't remember what size it is. It's I can put a links. I ripped right where it said the size, I think. It's 50 feet. It's like 3/16 or 3/8 or something. I don't remember. I'll put a link. But this is where I'm at right now. So see right here, what happens is this cable goes through and goes through there. Goes through there, and it just stops there. So I think I just have to pull this out, which I tried already yanking on it, and no, it doesn't come. If you look on the new cable, here's a handle right here that I don't know what the heck to do to it. Weld it, something, who knows. And I jammed that in there. It looks like I jammed that in there and then do the same thing. I don't know if there's a screw or something. Ah, I see. There's a set screw right here. Allen key, take that Allen key out, then this thing pulls out and I slide it in there. I got it. Okay, that's easy. All right, let me go get my Allen keys, come back, and we'll yank this guy out. All right, I pulled the set screw out. It's a 4mm. I rotated this, and oh wow, it comes right out. All right, so toss that. Get rid of that. The new one. I don't know how I need to unroll this, but probably gonna unroll it carefully. Maybe I'm gonna attach that and then just unroll it. You know, unroll it like this. I don't want to just pull it off here because it's gonna be all twisted. All right, I'll put some gloves on. I'm gonna unroll this. Gloves. Hook this onto something. Okay, it's all on there. This. Okay. Take this. Shove it in here. Shove it in there. All right, let me crank it up, pull it in. Okay, well, this is easy. I thought this was gonna be a lot harder. I'm just putting the set screw back in. Kind of tight, so it's See if it comes out. Let's go out. No, it's good. In. So there it goes, right there. You see, right here, it just went through a little bit. There's a set screw, and there's that. So now I'm just gonna roll this thing up. I'm just gonna leave tension on it by me stepping on it and hitting the in button. Oh, yep. Here we go. All right. All right, I think I need 2 hands for this, but I'm gonna roll this up. I wanna get it tight, nice on here, and then I'm gonna do that. All right, let me do that. All right, there we go, done. New one's in. I just sat there, held it with my gloves on, and just fed it in there. Got it nice and rolled up inside there, and we're good to go. Brand new, and I put the chain on it. And disconnect the battery. Used to have a battery sitting right there, and then I put a battery inside here. I don't use it that much, so I just take a battery and just when I need it, I just jump it. But, well, that's it. It's fairly easy. I mean, so if you break your winch cable, buy a new one, put it on there. I mean, I was thinking about just putting another, cutting the cable and put another hook on it. I don't use 50 feet of cable. Never have I used 50 feet of cable. So, I would have just a little bit shorter cable. But I think this was easier. And now I have a new cable where I don't have to worry about, is it going to keep breaking. So, anyway, I was thinking about getting a new winch. But this winch works fine. It's a 3000, which is, I think it's enough to pull a car up. I mean, it struggles with some cars, but it pulls cars up there. I pulled trucks up here on the trailer. So, right, that's it. Nice quick little video. Like I said, if you want to get this winch cable, I'll put a link in the description. And it's a Harbor Freight winch. So it's like a 3000 Badlands, whatever they carry. That's what kind of winch that is. So, easy peasy thing to do. All right, you'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you can. See ya. Bye.